Hello, I'm Jeremy Casper with Five Star Automotive Detailing, located in Rochester, Minnesota. We have 3 different vehicles on 3 very unique journeys. We start with our American muscle car, which is a 2014 Chevrolet Corvette. This vehicle came in for our full inside and outside detail, engine bay detail, and an odor removal. This vehicle had plenty of ashes and it just smelled like an ashtray. So we did our complete interior detail and engine bay detail. And we're gonna do a cabin air filter replacement to make sure we get all those smoke odors completely eliminated. Next up over here, we have a 68 Pontiac GTO. This vehicle came in for a ceramic coating and a 2-step paint correction, engine bay detail, and window tint on the windshield, sides, and rears 2 years ago. This time it just came in for a good exterior refresh, get a car show ready for the year. And then we also replaced the window tint on this front driver's side just because it got some really deep scratches in it. Also, we take care of daily drivers. We have our 2020 Kia Telluride. This vehicle is coming in for our level 2 inside and outside detail. It came in pretty good condition. It had plenty of pet hair in it. We did a complete air purge to it to get all the hair out of the cracks and crevices of the seats. We did a very in-depth vacuuming to get all that picked up. We're about to do a steam cleaning and then shine and condition all the leathers, plastics, and any other areas that need a deep cleaning. If you want to get your vehicle detailed, give us a call at 507-213-3561 or visit us at 5starautodetail.com.